Reputable personalities present over here. Respected juries, parents, and my dear friends. From the different schools around the district. A gorgeous day to one and all. It's my immense pleasure to be here in front of you, free while talking on the topic. Why I love nature. On this enchanting occasion of Sahodaya School's Kids Fest, by this call, if you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Nature is an important and integral part of mankind. It is one of the greatest blessings for human life. We can't imagine this world without the beauty of nature. Nature is made up of trees, flowers, plants, animals, mountains, and forests. It's beautiful and mesmerizing. Being in nature can make you feel peaceful, happy, and free. Do you love nature? Yes, I love nature because its beauty inspires me and helps me connect with myself. Every sunrise gives me hope, and every sunset fills me with a gratitude. As Mahatma Gandhi said, nature has enough for everyone's need, but not enough for everyone's greed. Nature also teaches us valuable lessons. It shows us the importance of balance, harmony, and resilience. Nature is a silent teacher. It does not scold, but if man does not pay attention properly, it does not hesitate to punish. The Wayanad landslides serves as a stark example of this. So my dear friends, nature is like a mother. We should protect our nature. If we protect nature today, then Mother Nature will certainly protect our future generation. I am not extending my words where the flowers bloom, so does hope. Thank you all for hearing me all this time. Wish you all